All right. Thanks everybody for taking time out of your day. Um, I'd like to start off by just saying thanks a lot for everybody who's watched the SharePoint 2016 video installation. So the 2016 installation and setup video, much appreciated. Um, yeah, okay. Anyway, this video is going to be going off of that. So I'm going to use whatever you learned in the last video, we're just going to enhance it. We're going to make more. So I want to make a site collection for you. I want to show you how to do a site collection, and I want to show you how to put data in the site collection. So you can, get a job in SharePoint, right? You can be, a junior level SharePoint administrator. And there's lots of jobs out there for that, by the way. There's so many jobs for that. And well, let's get started with that. So we left off in the last video here at the central administrator, and there's what we're going to start off on this new video. So you're at central admin, central administration. You're going to click on application management, and then you're going to click on we're going to create a site collection, which is a site essentially. And I've already done it, but I was going to take you through the steps. The title, the description of the site is Mesh Text Company, and you could just put, company site. Really, it's whatever you want. Company site. Okay. The location of the site, Mesh Text 8001/site/Mesh Text Companies. Template. So there are different templates. You have team site, a blog. Then you see how when you click on it, it gives you more little features, more little things you could do. We're going to leave it a team site. Then we're going to do put in a username, Bob Proctor. Bob Proctor is a philosopher. The movie The Secret, if you ever watched that, you can YouTube that. He's pretty good guy to watch. A lot of good ideas, really good ideas. Think and Grow Rich. He pretty much reads that book every day. Anyway, that's why he's there, because, let me pick a name. So, and then you push OK. I'm not going to push OK because it's going to give me an error to say, hey, you already have the site created. So we're just going to pretend like I created it, which I did already. So once the site's there, you're going to go back to central admin. Okay. And we're going to go to application management again. And then you're going to go to view all site collections. And voila, you see that site Mesh Text Company. So we're going to click on it. Yeah, so okay. Yeah, click on that deal there. Okay, click on it again. What did I do wrong here? Let me see. What am I doing wrong? Oh, I probably have to put it in here, I think. I forget how I did it before. Well, let's try this. Let's try that. There we go. Okay, so I need to log in as Bob Proctor, right? Text. Let's see. B Proctor. Proctor. Okay. And of course my super secret password, Bob Proctor. Okay, Mesh Text. So that's domain and username. Don't save. And since that I created him as a primary, now I'm logging as Bob Proctor. So I'm no longer logged in as admin. I guess I could just click this. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Now it's doing the stuff. Okay. Now it's pulling its side up. And I mean, my server here, I got a hosted server, so I bought like a ESXi host from Joe's data center in Kansas City, Missouri. And I put like 8 gig I think of RAM on this server. And I've tried this a couple times. So first I had like an Active Directory server, and then I had a SharePoint server and a Commvault server, ComServe, and then I had like a Windows 10 server, right? And I said, well, let me just do them all in one, I mean, because it's training purposes, right? So this is one server. So it's my Active Directory, it's my SharePoint, it's going to be my Commvault server when I do that, when I stand it up. At any rate, so this is your site. This is your site you see. So let's just do one cool thing here. Let's go change the look. Add a logo and a description to your site. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna put like my company logo on it, right? Whatever. Now this is something new to what I'm actually teaching about. Originally I hadn't planned on doing that, but let's just do it anyway. Insert logo from my computer. Browse the file, and it is okay. And no comments needed. And it's just my company logo. Oh, awesome, sweet, excellent, excellente. There you go, right? So presto changeo, we are now a company, we're a nice fancy company, all that stuff. Okay, so now that you have the site, now you want to like do something with it. And let's see. Yeah, where am I at here? Oh, site content. So you click on site content. So that's what I'm creating, right? And I'm going to add an app. And I'm going to add first thing I'm just going to show you is really cool. I'm going to add a task. And we'll go inventory task. I've already done this already, but I'll do it anyway. Create inventory tasks. Okay, awesome. Yeah, there it is right there. Okay. So this is so cool. All right. So you have why is this cool? Because let's say you're assigning somebody a task to do something, maybe every Friday you want them to patch a server, right? If you're in IT, or every Friday you need to check your email, or probably not that, but maybe you need to have a meeting or something. You want to add people to the meeting, or anything you want to give a task to somebody, right? So whatever it is. So let's just do one new task. Put a new task in there. We're going to call a task name like I don't know. Let's say upgrade your SharePoint, or upgrade to SharePoint, I don't know, 2018. I don't think it's out yet, don't know, but let's just assume that's what you're trying to do, or maybe test the upgrade, right? Or let's go upgrade to SharePoint on test environment, test server. Okay. Upgrade to SharePoint 2016. Okay. Start date could be, say, this Friday, and I don't know, let's say the 15th, right? You're going to assign it to somebody. This is kind of cool, right? So as soon as you start typing, this is built in with Active Directory. So you just type in, I don't know, like a Nikolai, Tesla, whoever it's Active Directory, so it's tied to that. So whoever you name, you're going to assign somebody. And if you want to assign somebody else, you just put another name in there. Bill Gates. And I don't know, Nikola Tesla. Sure, why not? Okay, show more. And the description, let's do this here. Okay, now these aren't really, they're not there by default, the completed and all that, and I'll show you in a minute how you do that. Priority, task, and you can not started, in progress, completed. It's not started yet. Okay. And then maybe you can do something like, you know, steps. For instance, like provision server to get software, 3 install software, however you want to do it, and then priority, predecessor, name it, save it, so it's saved. Bam. It's kind of cool, right? You assign it to 3 people, and yeah, so if it's completed. Let's say you want to add stuff to it, right? You saw in there where you had like percentage completed. You can change that percentage. How do you change that, you may say? So you go close, and you go to list, and what you're doing, right, is you're editing the list. This is a list, or I guess you would call it a, well, you could call it a list. So we're going to first click on list over here, and then you're going to click on edit list. You're going to edit your list, and that should not happen there. I don't know why that happened. Edit list. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. I'm wrong. Pardon. List settings. Excuse me. What am I saying? List settings. Okay. So you noticed in there where the columns, I added different columns to it. And how do you get those there? You just create a column, or you can add a column from existing site columns. And let's see, how do you delete? If you wanted to delete it, you would go to, let's see here, delete, no, not delete the list. Go to, excuse me. Okay, complete. Let's go click on that. Click to edit, right? And then you would, once you click that, then you would just go to delete, and you delete it. So that's how you remove it. Let's do it. Why not? Let's do it. Okay, so it's removed. How do we know that? Oh, let's go to the inventory tasks, and let's click on the actual task itself, and then you don't see the completed percentage there any longer. So that's how you do that. Pretty cool, pretty awesome stuff. So that's a task. That's a task. Now let's show you how to create a like an inventory. You know, you want to do an inventory. You want to do create an inventory of your products or something like that. So we'll go custom list. We're going to call it inventory tasks. I don't think it's not there, obviously, so we'll do that and create it. Oh, it was already there, I guess. Well, let's do this. Let's go inventory tasks. Well, wait a minute. No, it's our. I'm sorry. I apologize. That was already there. That's the thing we just created. Inventory list is what we're trying to create. Pardon. Okay. So inventory list. Click on inventory list. And this is like an Excel spreadsheet essentially. So you can click on new item, And let's go, I don't know, let's assume it's, you're doing a computer inventory or a warehouse inventory, you know? So in a warehouse, you might have like model name, I guess. You would put model name. You could have new item. You could put like serial number. You could put. Wait a minute. I'm wrong. Sorry. I apologize here. Let's see. What am I doing wrong here? Create view. No, that's not it. Inventory list. What am I doing wrong here? New item. No, that's not it. That's not it. Not the here, not here. That is not it. So it is. Let's see. Let's see. What is this anyway? Create a column. Single type text. Modified columns. Okay. Create a column. Okay. Create a column. Here we go. So column name is model number or model name. Okay, blah blah. Let's check it out. Okay, yep, there it is right there. So you create. You're adding like a row every time or a column. Yeah, it's wrong. A column. Yeah, I guess it'd be a column. Create column. Go. What was the other thing we said? I think we said serial number. Okay. The list could go on and on. Let's do just do one more. Create column. Let's go model number, serial number. I guess location, because you want to know what location it is. Maybe like a bay number or like a lot number, probably, in it like a warehouse. Depending on how big the warehouse is, like a row number or something like that. Okay. Let's go back to our inventory list. So we see that we have the model name, serial number, location. Let's just edit this deal here. Okay. Let's call that, I don't know. Let's see, Juniper. Well, let's see. Title. What is title? So hardware. Hardware. Model number, Juniper. I don't know, J8675309, right? Location is in the warehouse. Say it, I don't know, warehouse 13. Okay, let's just assume that. Warehouse 13, hardware. That's kind of odd. Wonder why title. Maybe title didn't. Well, what? Let's go router. Let's name it, right? I guess you can I? Let's see if I can edit. Yeah, I can edit the title number. Device name. I could go. I guess I could device type, right? I'll do that. Type title, or let's go to title. So title. Click on that deal there. We'll go device type. Device type. Okay. Pardon. So we got device type, model name, serial number, location. And let's edit this. We'll call this, let's see. Let's see. EMC maybe. We'll call this device type. Okay, storage. We'll call this EMC Clarion. I know that's an old storage device, right? And we'll call this warehouse 12. Right? Yeah. Look at that. So you can add hundreds of these things, right? So let me show you if you did it like if you had a notepad or something. If you had an Excel spreadsheet, you want to put them all in there. Go to list, and then you go quick edit, and look at that. So now you can just copy and paste anything in. Let's try that out actually. Let's do that. Let's go. Okay. We'll go notepad. Yeah, okay. So let's put in there, let's go, device type is printer. And it is a HP. And serial number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the location is house 11. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, didn't work. Sometimes, yeah, I guess you have to do it from Excel spreadsheet. And I don't have Excel set up in this computer, but you could do it with Excel. So you essentially in Excel you just would all your rows just copy, bam, and then paste it in there, and it does that. Let's see, what else can I show you? Oh, another thing is why is SharePoint so big, right? Why is such a big deal? Like, oh, it's so big deal. It's because when you have a SharePoint site, you know how before where people go to the file share, and there's like a spreadsheet or something or a Word document, PDF, whatever, right? That people need to view or for whatever action they do. Maybe in an Excel spreadsheet they need to update something, for the company or whatever. And so SharePoint's for that purpose, really. For instance, you create a PDF, or you create some sort of inventory list, or you create something that helps your coworkers out to do productivity or whatever. You can put it here. So now modified, you can say when it was checked out. You can put it here. You no longer have to email it to everybody to say, send me the link to the SharePoint site, right? And then you go to the SharePoint site and it's there. And then they edit it, right? And it saves it. So for instance, what is this, Excel spreadsheet? There's one here, like this, bam, right? Inventory list. I will say that if the file itself doesn't have anything listed on it, like there's no data on that file, you'll get this, the little red X. White. Yeah, it's normal. It just means, hey, you don't have anything in there, and it'll just it'll disappear. See that? Yeah, that's nice. Anyway, so that's it really. That's the nutshell. I mean, that's really, there's more to it, right? From a SharePoint administration. In my next video, I'm gonna do a couple more. I'll go over like backups on how to back up your site collection and all that. But this is it. It's pretty awesome stuff. Appreciate everybody watching the video, and have a great day.